For more than 100 years, black holes physics is on the wrong path. It is developing in a wrong direction. After Einstein published general relativity, the idea was, and the question was, what is happening according to general relativity in the center of the black holes? And Schwarzschild developed a matrix with a beautiful formula, with a beautiful equation for how much a given physical object, or let's say stellar object, needs to be squeezed, that has a mass m, sure, needs to be squeezed, that black hole will appear, that will turn into black hole. What is the radius? And the Schwarzschild metric has shown that such a star has a tendency to disappear from the visible universe. This is called gravitational collapse. And then Professor Penrose developed the idea that inside black holes, curvature of space is infinite, and that's why gravity is infinite. So the term gravitational singularities was introduced. At this point, physics of black holes has reached a point of no return. Going now in this direction, nothing can be achieved because this is a fatal mistake. This idea is a fatal mistake. If we would have only one gravitational infinity in one black hole in this visible universe, then the entire visible universe, and also the part of the universe we cannot observe, would have infinite gravity. Because once we have infinite value only in one point of the space, whatever shape this space is, it can be Lobachevsky geometry, Riemann geometry, Euclidean geometry, we will have infinite value in every other point of the space. This is the basic rule of mathematics, and this is the basic rule of physics. Infinite value of whatever in one point of the space, the entire space has infinite value, because infinity, whatever type, cannot diminish with distance. And this fundamental scientific fact, fundamental mathematical fact, was overlooked, was not considered by Professor Penrose. And what is also a fact, that Penrose singularities have never been observed. Never, ever someone observed this. And they gave Nobel Prize for this, Penrose. Also, the Kerr black holes. This is only a mathematics. Nothing as Kerr curvature in these rotating black holes really exists in the universe. Because also, Professor Kerr, he developed this on the basis of Einstein general relativity equations. And the whole mathematics is excellent, but it has no physical meaning. That's the problem with black holes. Mathematics of black holes has no physical meaning. So what is happening inside? How is it with the gravity inside of the black hole? Inside of the black hole, all physical laws are existent, are valid, are working. And the gravity inside the black hole, here is a black hole surface going inside, is diminishing according to the Newton's shell theorem, which means here on that point, gravity is smaller. This all we can take away. Okay, this is basic stuff. So the gravity force in the black hole, in the center of the black hole, is not infinite. It is zero. It is zero. And how now we place black hole, which actually is should be better to say black star, because there is no hole there. There is no hole in the space-time. This is only in the mind. There's not in the universe. There is no black holes in this sense. There is no white holes. All this is just a mathematical philosophy. So every physical object, black hole included, is diminishing energy density space in its center exactly for the amount of its energy. This is the extension of the mass energy equivalence principle on the universal space. And that's why the formula is here. A is mc squared Planck energy density minus energy density in the center of the black hole per volume. And in the center of the black hole, energy density is so low that atoms become unstable because of the low energy density of superfluid space. The electromagnetic properties of space are changed, and electromagnetic forces inside the atom are changed, and atom becomes unstable. I explained this in details in the previous video and also in my preprint article that I hope I will manage to publish in the journal with a high impact factor. So I wish everybody Happy New Year, a lot of success in 24. And if we wanna develop physics of black holes, we have to admit that for 100 years, we have been moving in the wrong direction. Thank you very much for your attention.